Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Everything Renee, and today I have something a little bit different and I'm super excited to incorporate it onto my channel. But first, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you and welcome. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you feel like that's what you want to do. You know what I'm saying?
I'm having a problem with my eyelash, so if you see me blink and it gets stuck like this, then don't comment down below. Like, leave that shit to yourself, okay?
I don't want to make this video too long, so yes. Let's just jump right into it. Cardi.
Not to spread so much, I know they gotta be. Okay, no. Come hold him.
Take him.
What the heck? You run for your life, and also they spell Uber wrong. Like this video if you caught that. Like it. Oh my gosh. Look at all the bears. I don't know what I would have done. Shit, I probably would just let their asses swim. It looks like they're having a good time for real. Like for real. The mama got all her kids though. What is that? Is it a goat? I don't know what that is.
Oh my God!
He is not playing any games. He got a milkshake. Ain't no telling what else he found in that trash. Oh. Oh, is it like a petting zoo or like a regular zoo? That's probably the most purest water he'd ever have. Shoot. Gulp it up. I feel you. Everybody like, oh my God. Oh, I already know what time it is with these damn sheep. They do not play. Get your ass. He like, get your ass down the hill. They do not play. Girl. Baby. She is traumatized. I know she is. Monkeys are like my most favorite thing I like to see when I go to the like zoo. How beautiful and scary at the same time. Would have been screaming. Oh, look at the elephant. Oh, he got a whole separate agenda. You better get up. Oh, that damn camel. Was it a camel? Oh, did that thing kick that baby? She was not having that.
Oh my God!
What in the... Like, that's a whole nother tone of a cat you don't normally hear. Like, what the hell? She saved the duck the best way she knew how. Oh, things like the dogs are here. Ooh. She threw a body duck neck!
Excuse me.
And then the nasty pop. Oh no. You know, when you see one possum, it's
What are you doing?
Hell of a lot of other possums, like, right behind it.
Bite me. No.
Okay.
No. No. Kisses.
think that was cute, but look at these
Shit.
damn
Ma!
moose.
Ma, come outside! There's
Could
a
you
fucking
imagine,
moose!
like, actually
Or a
looking out your
buffalo or
window and
some
seeing
shit, they're
this big
fighting.
ass
Where the fuck
moose
are you
fighting
going?
in front of
Ma!
your house? Like,
Holy
they're as big
shit.
as a freaking car. Like,
This
look
is
at
some
that.
fucking National Geographic shit. Ma, call a fucking cops or the
And then
ASPCA.
the man is just making it even more
There's
funny.
animals fighting in the front lawn.
But that's scary.
Oh,
More
shit.
than anything.
Oh.
What in the... Slap neck? What the hell? Look at his teeth. Oh, they look so happy. Look at the one on the top. He's like, yeah.
The Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee
Throw
swarm on
the
a
entire
Check
car
that
away.
out.
I
Pretty
don't want it.
awesome. We're gonna get suited up
The bees
and
probably
take
ended
care
up
of
getting
it.
on the inside.
So
Like,
right up here at Walgreens at
no.
51st and
Throw all the
Lewis.
whole thing away. Forget it. I never knew I was into birds. Biscotti, those are really good. Dipping in your cappuccino. He's snatching.
There you go. How's that? Holy deep throat.
He like, what up?
Hello. No.
What you got for me?
Yeah, tell your buddy to share. Share. Freaking
Deep
throat.
throat. That puppy's gonna have back problems forever. They ain't about shit. Talking all that shit.
What do you want, huh?
No
Want some money?
way.
Take it. Oh shit! Oh!
That thing called it. What the fuck? I would faint if I saw that deer. Like, I said deer, I meant bear. Oh my gosh. That is so strange looking. Is it a chicken? It's gotta be a chicken. That just looks so weird. No. I couldn't imagine what I would do first. I couldn't imagine. Like, I probably would scratch my whole head off. Squirrels are gross. Oh, look at the snake. Honestly, I can't stand looking at snakes, but that shit is so funny. I'm not laughing, but it's funny.
Beautiful.
Sheer eyelash. His big old butt. Boop, 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 boop. That's the dog from Friday. Oh.
Hey!
Look at the pup. Oh, is it a puppy? Painted like a zebra? It's gotta be like some type of poodle or something. Like, look at the, like after you shave the poodle. Oh, I've seen. Oh no. I would have fainted then too. Like, take me. You say something about the flat iron? Girl, you worry about the wrong stuff. That's toilet paper stuck on the snake. Ugh. Ugh. Her cry is just penetrating. And then she probably was trying to eat it and it ended up getting stuck, because I've seen people eat live octopus and it'll still be like trying to climb on their face, get out their mouth, because they're literally dying. You're eating it alive, which is so fucked up. She's bleeding. Girl. This is wild. What in the world? Is that real? What? I don't know. Some of those look like strange. Like that cat, he looked like somebody was probably holding him up like while he's on the piano. That was crazy. Crazy. Okay? My eyelashes crazier. But if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below which one would you have just lost your effing mind. Which one would you have split your wig on? Like, cause some of those, yeah, that is it for this video.
We'll see you. Look at my eyelash. Look at my eyelash. Like, come on, baby. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.